Looking to protect your car's shine and keep it looking new for years? This video highlights the top 5 best ceramic coatings for cars that deliver long-lasting gloss, durability, and strong protection against dirt, UV rays, and water spots. A good ceramic coating not only enhances the beauty of your vehicle, but also makes maintenance easier. If you want a smooth, mirror-like finish and ultimate shield for your paintwork, these ceramic coatings are perfect choices for any car owner. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is Griot's Garage Car Ceramic Coatings. The Griot's Garage Ceramic Speed Shine is designed to give vehicles a brilliant finish with added protection. Made with advanced Salon polymer technology and silicon dioxide, this ceramic spray creates a smooth surface that enhances gloss while helping the exterior stay cleaner for longer. It forms a water-resistant layer that makes water bead away easily, reducing the chances of watermarks and leaving behind a fresh, polished look. This product is crafted to meet high standards, offering a professional-level touch that car owners can rely on. It can be applied on multiple exterior surfaces, including paint, glass, plastic, chrome, and even wheels, making it a versatile choice for regular maintenance. The spray works effectively to remove light dirt, fingerprints, and dust, restoring the shine without much effort. By using it between washes, it helps extend the protection of existing coatings, ensuring the vehicle maintains a showroom-style appearance. For car enthusiasts who enjoy keeping their vehicle spotless, this ceramic spray is both easy and quick to use. A simple mist and wipe method transforms the look of the surface, leaving behind a glossy, mirror-like shine. It can also serve as a clay bar lubricant or as a drying aid after washing, making it a useful addition to detailing supplies. With consistent use, the finish of the vehicle remains sleek, bright, and well protected. This product is an excellent option for anyone who values long-lasting shine, smoothness, and enhanced care for their automobile. In our list, the number 2 product name is Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Coatings. The Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions ceramic polish and wax is created to give vehicles a smooth, flawless finish in a single step. This advanced formula is infused with ceramic and synthetic wax, combining polishing agents that work to clean the paint surface while correcting light imperfections. It helps in reducing visible swirl marks, oxidation, and fine scratches, leaving behind a deep, rich color with a mirror-like gloss. With its protective qualities, the exterior stays shielded from harmful road contaminants, ultraviolet rays, and water. This polish and wax is designed to save time by combining correction, polishing, and protection in one process. It can be used either by hand or with a polishing machine, making it suitable for both professional car care enthusiasts and everyday users. When applied, it enhances the overall appearance of the vehicle, keeping it cleaner for longer with less frequent maintenance. The unique blend of technology ensures that the surface not only shines, but also gains a protective layer that repels dirt and moisture effectively. It is suitable for different painted areas, metallic finishes, glass, and headlights, allowing for versatile use. The pleasant tropical fragrance adds an enjoyable touch to the detailing process, making it more refreshing compared to traditional products. This ceramic polish and wax delivers a high standard of finish that reflects the expertise behind Turtle Wax. With continuous use, it helps vehicles maintain a stunning look, combining depth of color, long-lasting shine, and durable protection for the road ahead. In our list, the number 3 product name is Adams Polish's Advanced Ceramic Coatings. Adams' Advanced Graphene Ceramic Spray Coating Kit is developed to provide long-lasting protection with an exceptional glossy finish. This formula uses graphene oxide combined with ceramic technology to create a durable shield that enhances depth, shine, and smoothness on vehicle surfaces. It is designed for a wide variety of applications including cars, motorcycles, boats, and recreational vehicles, making it a versatile choice for different types of exterior detailing. This coating works effectively on painted areas, wheels, chrome, plastic trims, glass, headlights, tonneau covers, canvas tops, unfinished metal, and rubber moldings. It helps maintain a cleaner surface by repelling dust, dirt, water, and road contaminants. The spray formula makes it easier to apply compared to traditional coating methods, allowing both professional users and hobbyists to achieve outstanding results without complex steps. The unique graphene chemistry allows the product to bond strongly with surfaces, helping extend the life of the finish while preserving color vibrancy. It leaves behind a mirror-like gloss that improves the overall look of the vehicle and provides protection against harsh environmental elements. With proper application, the coating can maintain its effect for an extended period, reducing the need for frequent reapplications. This spray kit also incorporates advanced technology that ensures precise coverage, making sure every section receives equal protection. It is an ideal addition to detailing kits, delivering professional-grade care with ease of use. For those who want a sleek appearance combined with long-term durability, this graphene ceramic coating offers a powerful solution. In our list, the number 4 product name is Magic Shield Graphene Ceramic Coatings. The Magic Shield graphene coating for cars is designed to deliver long-lasting surface protection while enhancing the overall appearance of vehicles. This advanced formula combines graphene and silicon dioxide ceramic technology, creating a tough shield that helps defend against scratches, swirl marks, water spots, and harmful ultraviolet rays. It not only preserves the quality of the surface, but also adds noticeable depth and a glossy finish that stands out in any light. This liquid coating is suitable for multiple surfaces such as paint, carbon fiber, plastic trims, wheels, glass, and even wraps or 3M film. Its versatile nature makes it a practical choice for cars, motorcycles, recreational vehicles, and marine applications. The hydrophobic properties ensure that water beads away easily, minimizing streaks and keeping the surface cleaner for longer periods. The protective layer formed by this coating reduces the need for constant maintenance, making it a time-saving solution for owners who want durable results. It also resists environmental contaminants, helping the exterior maintain a showroom-ready look even when exposed to harsh conditions. With proper application, the finish retains its shine for years, supporting long-term durability and reducing reapplication needs. This graphene ceramic coating improves the vibrancy of color, creating a sleek, mirror-like reflection that enhances the beauty of the vehicle. For detailing enthusiasts and everyday drivers, it provides professional-grade protection in a simple and effective way. The result is a flawless, high-gloss finish combined with powerful resistance that keeps the surface looking its best. In our list, the number 5 product name is HydroSilex Recharge Car Ceramic Coating. The HydroSilex Recharge Car Ceramic Coating is developed to transform the way vehicles are maintained by offering a protective layer that delivers shine and long-lasting resistance. This advanced spray is created to replace traditional wax and sealants, saving time while keeping the exterior looking fresh. Once applied, it forms a slick, glossy finish that enhances color depth and makes surfaces easier to clean. The strong hydrophobic barrier ensures that water, dirt, and grime roll off effortlessly, reducing the need for frequent washing. This ceramic coating bonds directly with the surface, offering reliable defense against ultraviolet rays, oxidation, and corrosion. It is suitable for a wide variety of exterior materials including paint, plastic trims, metals, vinyl, suspensions, wheels, glass, and textured areas. Such versatility makes it an excellent option for cars, sport utility vehicles, boats, and recreational vehicles. The application process is straightforward, making it suitable for both professionals and everyday drivers. With proper use, the finish can last for several months, keeping the vehicle in top condition without requiring repeated treatment. Its protective qualities ensure that the exterior remains polished and shielded even when exposed to tough environmental conditions. This coating is the result of decades of expertise in chemical development, bringing high-performance car care into an easy-to-use spray. Designed for those who prefer to maintain their vehicles themselves, it offers a balance of convenience, durability, and professional-level results. The end effect is a showroom-style gloss combined with reliable long-term protection. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.